This is my video review of the Dorman LED 36mm white 5050 SMD 6 LED bulb. Has a part number of 6461W-SMD. Now it comes in this unique package. I actually purchased this from Hires Auto Parts, and it comes in this unique package that has contacts on the back so that you can test the bulb and see how it works. This is polarized, so you got to have the right polarity. And we're going to open this up and see what's inside here. Now I have a 13.8 volt supply that I'm going to try this out with. Let's see what polarity this might be. That's the, there we go. There's a negative and positive. Positive's on the right. And you can see it's glowing quite nicely. If I was going to measure the lumens, let's do that next. So at 6 inches away, I'm getting about 1400 lux. We're going to compare that to the light that comes with the car. So here's the piece that comes with the car that I'm replacing with the incandescent bulb. Put the same voltage on there, and let's point the bulb towards the lux meter 6 inches away, and I'm getting 511 lux. So you can see the LED bulb is about 3 times as many luxes. Next we're going to measure the current to drive this incandescent bulb using a current meter, so we can compare power. So I'm getting a reading of 392 milliamp hours at about 12.8 volts. Now let's try the LED. So now we're going to put the LED on the same voltage, and let's measure the current right there. You can see it's 80 milliamp. So it went from over 300 to 80. And that's the advantage of LEDs right there, and they don't generate hardly any heat. And they last 50,000 hours versus probably 300 hours. Let's open this package up now. And you can see it's got wires connecting to the light itself for testing and display purposes. And we're not going to use those wires in our application. So you can see you can pull this out, and there's these copper terminals on there, which we're just going to remove. And now we have the LED by itself, and we're going to put that into the holder to replace the incandescent one that's in here. Now you can see these bulbs, it'll fit, but you notice that the length is different. This is 38 millimeters, and what's in the car is 30 millimeters. But this is the reference that was given in all the manuals and information. So we're going to mark the polarity on here with a plus and minus, which I've done on here. That's the plus, and we're going to get this to fit inside here and then test it. Okay, by bending these tabs slightly and getting them at the same level, and after marking the polarity of the bulb to match the polarity here, I got it to fit quite nicely. And you want to have the LEDs obviously facing this way, which is where the diffuser plastic panel is. Now let's see how it works here. Let's put the polarity on here, plus and minus. And there you go, the LEDs are facing downward or outward towards the plastic piece. And there you go, now we're going to install in the car and see how it works. So here's the car that I'm putting it on. It's a 2012 Elantra Touring. And you can see I plugged it in to the harness, and the LED is working. I can tuck this away, the wires. and locks in place. And there you have it. So now I have an LED in my trunk. So what's my overall impression of the Dorman 36mm white 5050 SMD 6 LED bulb, part number 6461W-SMD? I think this is a great product. As I demonstrated, it's 3 to 4 times brighter in lux, and it's about 30% of the operating current to operate this device. So the energy is going to be saved, and there's going to be no heat loss. And then, of course, this lasts up to 50,000 hours versus 300 hours. So once you put this in place, you pretty much forget about it. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my video review channel. And I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.